Welcome you all to the another lecture of the reproduction in organism, and this lecture we are going to discuss about the type of reproductions, type of asexual reproductions, type of asexual reproductions. So when we going to discuss about the type, there was the many type of the asexual reproduction are seen. The first we are going to discuss about the fission. The first type of the asexual reproduction is fission. So in the process of fission, the parent cell divided into daughter cell. Simple one. Daughter one. Simple, very simple, right? So the process by which parent cell divided into daughter cell is known as fission, right? So on the basis of number of daughter cell is formed, it is classified into the two category. So if daughter cell is two in number, there this process is known as binary fission. But if the number of daughter cell is more than 2, is known as multiple fusion. Is known as multiple fusion. ठीक? But in the case of binary fission, only two daughter cell is formed. The definition of both the terminology is same. What definition? In the process by which parent cell divided into the daughter one is known as fission. But if the number of daughter cell is the 2, then the process is known as binary fission, whereas if the number of daughter cell is more than 2, the process is known as multiple fission, right? So when we see the example of the binary fission, it's seen in the amoeba. Or lower class of organism. But when we see the process of multiple fission, it's seen in the plasmodium. It's shown in the plasmodium. So plasmodium formation occur in the reproductive cycle of the mosquito. So mosquito produce the number of babies by the process of the multiple fission, right? So this process, the whole process is term has the fusion, right? The second term used during the asexual reproductions is budding. So in this process of the budding, the organism, the parents produce bird-like structure, and this bird-like structure give rise to daughter one, right? This bird-like structure give rise to daughter. But okay, that's simple one. Ki parents one give like the bird-like structure. Bird-like, it means that the growth, some growth which is not seen which is not seen at the body part, right? The growth which occur आपका outside the body part या inside the body, but the not similar to the body, right? So that is the known budding, right? So this process bird-like structure is the further divided into the two category on the basis of the position, right? कि the formation of bird where it's occur. So if the formation of bird occur outside the body, means कि surrounding the a moment outside the body, the process is known as exospores budding. Exospore budding, right? The process is known as the bud is produced outside the body is known as exospore budding, like seen in the case of hydra, right? In the case of hydra, this bud is present outside the body, right? But when we see the different other organism, the bud formations occur inside the body. So if the bud formation inside the body, so the process is known as endospore budding. Endospore budding. Endospore budding is seen in the case of spongy. This one is the hydra, and endo is seen in the spongy. Right? So spongy. Example is spongy. Right? Spongy. So we are discussing about the two main process of the asexual reproduction, which was known as fission, and second one is known as budding. In the further lecture, we are going to further discuss about the different type of asexual reproduction. Thank you.